Oh, he's trying so hard.
He's not going to get out like that, is he?
No, it was so close.
Careful, the other one's coming up now. Shit.
Yeah, they've got a yellow flag.
Yeah, well, gotta wait till he comes fast now, otherwise. Shit, he was so close. But did you see how fast that just went?
Yeah. He lost a bit from it. Front. And then just suddenly caught it again. He must be so disappointed. Whoa.
He's gonna get blue flag. Is he? Oh, he's lost his nose cone. He's not catching.
I mean, that car's fast.
That and that guy's from Charlotte.
I thought this blew his drive line or something. British guys.
Missed again.